Start this again. I had to start again.
Okay, it's okay. Oh, well, hello there. All right, what's up? How's it going here? This is the first video I've produced in a while. I produced another video. I need to edit it and release it, but this is an unboxing video. I have an interesting thing that I ordered. Bonus points in the comments if you can tell me what subreddit I went on one time, saw a picture of this, bought it, and never went back to that subreddit. Actually, I would actually prefer it if you don't say. Actually, no, it's not as bad as it could. It's the worst subreddit. But yeah, we're just doing an unboxing video. These are always fun. Okay. So, oh boy, okay. So I'm gonna flip it upside down. You can see it says like RAG 2021, something like that. I think that's what it says. You can already see, you can get the theme right there. So I'm gonna flip it. Now I'm going to pull this up. I hope this, yeah, it's working. Whoa, look at that. I thought the size was gonna be a lot bigger, but this is incredible. So yeah, I mean, if you don't get the reference, oh, I'm literally touching it right now. This is kind of creepy. If you don't get the reference, this is Carrie. This is Carrie. You ever seen Dinner for Schmucks? It's like that. I'm like Steve Carell in that movie, kind of. Also like Steve Carell in Marwin Call. Damn, he really likes fucking dead mice. Alrighty. Well, here we go. Here's my taxidermied Carrie. This is my prized possession. It cost a lot of money, but it was worth it. Alrighty. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I can make some more videos of detailing the craft behind this, the beauty of it, but thank you. Alright, yo, what's up? I forgot to detail two other things that were in the box. It was a very unprofessional unboxing, but it came with a toothbrush and this text. If you want to pause and read this. But yeah, I mean, I guess now I'm shouting out Rachel Garcia, the name of the person who did that. Alrighty.